Hello and welcome to our SQL course. I am Martin, and I am a programmer who has spent significant time working with SQL and databases. It is my pleasure to present a course that stands out from the rest of the SQL courses available on Udemy and online. This course is different because we will not repeat everything written in one of the textbooks about SQL and relational databases. Instead, I will provide you with a set of SQL practical tools you will need at your workplace. No useless concepts. Everything is straight to the point and easy to understand. The curriculum we have prepared for you comprises a heterogeneous set of topics data analysts and data managers need in their daily work. SQL allows these professionals to manipulate large sets of data. An advantage of using SQL is its syntax is intuitive, which predisposes you to learn it quickly. You'll first need to internalize the meaning of a few specific terms if you want to grasp the wide scope of its application and the ease with which this language can solve sophisticated tasks. Therefore, in the first part of this course, we will focus on explaining databases, database management systems, and SQL. I have organized the videos so the abstract ideas are easy to understand. No, this will not be a set of boring theoretical SQL concepts you'll never hear at your workplace. This is precisely the knowledge you need to understand how to work with data, tables, relational database management systems, and their visual representation. Before we start, I would like to ask a favor. Do not skip any of the lectures in the first part. I promise they will help you develop the perfect orientation and logical reasoning required for smooth, high-quality coding throughout the course. After the first part, we'll show you how to set up the software environment you'll need in this course. And you'll be able to roll up your sleeves and start programming. The best part is, you won't just see how you can work with an existing database. We will show you how to create an entirely new database from scratch. That's great, right? Just wait to hear what comes after that. In this course, we will work with a real-world database from GitHub. It is large enough and will give you a good idea of how we can use SQL in real-life situations. It is not a small data set gathered for a beginner's course. I am sure you will appreciate this aspect of the course. We believe this is the right way to learn SQL. Then, after you have learned how to set up a database on your own, you will plunge into the wonderful world of data manipulation. This is the section where you will learn how powerful SQL can be when used for the extraction of information and insights from a database. You'll go through the classical SQL statements, column and table constraints, functions. Then, we will cover more sophisticated topics such as joins, subqueries, self-joins, and views. Finally, we'll be ready to learn how to work with some tools professionals love to use, stored procedures and functions. We will conclude the course by learning about a few challenging advanced SQL techniques such as triggers and indexes. Besides the fundamentals, this course will teach you a solid set of useful topics, tips, tricks, and sharp skills that will give you an edge in the market. I am a firm believer in the statement, the most effective way to learn is by doing. This is valid, especially for SQL, because the difficulty of the tasks you must deal with at work require previous experience. So, please do the exercises attached to the lectures. They will be in the form of quiz questions and will reinforce everything you have learned in the lessons. Should you have any queries, please reach out and write in the Q&A section. We will be happy to answer within 1 or 2 business days. In addition, throughout the course and in my practice, I stick to best practices and clean coding. Remember, a well-organized or good code is not the one computers can understand. It is the one humans can understand. So, what are you waiting for? Dive straight in and let's begin this journey together.